from binary formations. Did I get that right?
Yes, you got
I
that
did.
right.
And this is Diane, and she's going to show an app, iPad app called Chore-inator.
Great. I am so excited to share Chore-inator with you today. I'm Diane Hamilton. I'm with Binary Formations. We're actually a husband-wife indie team. We've been doing it for a number of years, have a Mac app called Inventory, but at this conference we're launching Chore-inator, which is very exciting. Let's see. Make sure, there we go, great. Chore-inator is all about getting your kids excited and motivated about helping around the house. Pretty cool, right? We needed something in our own family, so we decided to do what we do best. We'll build an app. We wanted it to make sure that it was very easy to use, whether you were a small child who needed to see what chores they needed to do at the time, whether you were a teenager who just wanted to get in and out because they have better things to do, right? Or a parent who needed to administrate the app. When you first get into the app, you get into child mode, and you'll notice that it's very photocentric. We have pictures of your own child when they get into it, so they know instinctively what to do with it. My son Adam is right here, so he would come in here and he would click his picture. Any age can do that, even the young toddlers who can't read yet. So Adam comes in on a daily basis and he sees the chores that are assigned to him. And again, these are your photos. These aren't my photos. These are your photos of your household with the chores that your children need to do, so they know exactly what needs to be done and how it should look when it's finished. So the kids come in, they check off the chore when they complete it, and at this point they can actually take what we call a proof photo. Okay, everybody smile. They can take a photo of their handiwork and actually share it with mom and dad through the app. My 5-year-old is very excited about this feature. You know how excited the young ones get about their accomplishments. And the teens are pretty excited about it too, because it shows you what they've done and gets you off their back, right? So, the next thing is the reward system. The reward system is simple. You assign stars to chores. As the kids complete the chores, they earn those stars, and they can claim rewards based on the stars that they've earned. Now, the rewards are, again, your pictures of the things that motivate your children. For us, when Adam gets enough stars, he can buy a new app or an ice cream, or mom and dad's choice, a surprise. These would be specific to your children, and you can make them age appropriate and turn them into whatever is motivating for each child. You claim the child will claim the reward, and this is when we go. I wanted to show you parent mode. We didn't design the app just for kids. We had the parent in mind as well. We wanted to give you a very easy way to come in quickly and see the activity that's going on in your household on a daily basis. Who's done their chores? Who hasn't? Who do I need to contact and talk to? And if they have done them and they've taken a proof photo, which is optional, you can see it at that point. Where this is really cool is for mom or dad that works outside of the house. You can stay connected with the activity that's going on and actually see what's been done. On the bottom, you see the payouts, what we call payouts. And this will show you if any of the rewards have been claimed, and you can approve those or deny those. Maybe your child had a really good day and then not so good, so you can come in and deny the reward. And allowance. Allowance is optional. Some families use it, some families don't. But if you do use it, you can set it per each child. And at the end of the week, you can come in and actually pay out the allowance. You can pay the full amount, or you can pay it based on the number of chores that have been completed. So kind of prorated. Or if they've had a really good week, you can actually pay your own amount. Maybe it's a little bit more since they've been really good. We sync using Dropbox. That means you can run it on any of your devices. A lot of kids have the iPod Touch, so it is an iPad app. This week is the launch for the iPhone and iPod Touch. The setup is very easy and very simple. We gave it a lot of flexibility, but you don't have to take a lot of time to do it. You take a photo of the chore, name it, and then you create the schedule for the chore, whether it's daily. There's a couple neat features in there. I'm from a family of 6, so we created rotating chores. If you want to rotate a chore through the family or through the children, you can do that automatically. And again, these are all your pictures. You sign them to your children. You can have floating chores, such as mowing the lawn. It just has to be done sometime during the week. And bonus chores, because I know y'all have overachievers too. And when they finish with their daily stuff, they want something to do to earn additional allowance or additional stars. Let's see. So setting up things is very easy. If you're an iPod or an iPhone user and a lefty, we added a pretty cool feature that will move the navigation bar to the other side so that you can still do one-handed use. It's available in the App Store today. It is on sale right now for $2.99, normally $3.99. It's a steal. Let's see, what else today? I think that's it. We really just wanted a very easy way to come in and really motivate your children without spending a lot of time having to manage.
Great. I have 2 boys. I have a 9-year-old boy and an 11-year-old boy. And we started assigning them chores, and that lasted about a week.
Yep.
And it wasn't enough to just pay them an allowance. There was something else. They were willing to give up the allowance so they could watch their Minecraft videos.
Right.
So I'm hoping that I'm going to give this a try, and hopefully this will get them going too.
And that's the problem we were having as well, and just to keep it going more than a few days. So we've got the motivation in there for the rewards, and they can actually see the ones that they haven't earned yet. So we found that to be motivational, as well as saving the stars for the higher price rewards. You know, my son doesn't go in and get an ice cream cone every day anymore because he knows he'll never be able to save enough for the bigger rewards. Sure. You better bet my husband's in here.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Diane. So as I mentioned earlier, we have 11 total winners. These are 3. They're all located, these 3, Clone, Busy Mac, and Light Air Formations, they're located in Appaloosa. So if you want to get a closer look at their products, I encourage you to go over to Appaloosa and take a look. But let me tell you about the other 8 winners. There are